remember.
So this is our concern. This is new. Someone's just put this in. As you can see, this is not part of the. This is like a cover-up when they were selling it.
Yeah.
As though they've found a problem and not disclosed it. That's what bothers me. And then look at the dark all the way down here, below the fireplace. That's not from a fire, because that would be above, and there's nothing above.
Right.
And you can see that this is new. So that's our concern, that they deliberately put this in to cover something up. So we're going to take it out
Okay.
and see what loveliness is underneath.
Because remember there was the rot out here, Keith, that they.
Oh, what's the day today? Saturday, April 6th? Is it 6th?
Fifth.
April 5th.
It's my wife's birthday.
Oh, your birthdays are coming. Oh, you should have mentioned it.
Oh, Chris's birthday.
That's right. She did it for me, huh? That was cool. I turned it on right now.
Oh, good.
So you can see it's all below the fireplace, not above.
I hope it's
Yeah. Doesn't appear to go to.
And we're going to replace this flooring anyway. So
Dirt.
if it's dirt, then
great. Chloe?
we're fine. You know, it's what we're worried about is that it's a water flood that's been deliberately covered up.
Right.
See, this floor's always been.
I'm going to pause right now.